I'm taking a movie of us in our tent. What's that crackling noise, Garrison?
Soaking wet rain.
Oh, it's raining again. We had to vent the tent a little bit because it's getting musty in here. It's going to get damp by the morning because we're going to breathe out lots of humidity out of humid air. Garrison's over here.
I want to go to sleep though.
This is a great area. I guess they could bottle. Cleaned up some water there. There's our door. This is my bed right here. I got my bed. My bed. Alright, you ready to go to bed, Garrison? Listen to that. Listen to what it's like to be out in the great outdoors. Oh, and you know what's going to happen in about 2 more hours, don't you?
Rain.
Ed's going to be snoring. Alright. Till tomorrow.